Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisors Noida, a multidisciplinary professional services firm delivering end-to-end advisory solutions. Can the income tax department conduct a raid at a lawyer's home or office? Can documents seized from an advocate could be used against his client? And does having a statutory powers also mean the freedom to misuse it? The Gujarat High Court has answered all these questions in an important recent judgment. Let us understand this case in simple terms. The background. This case relates to advocate Seth, whose residence and offices were searched by the Income Tax Department under Section 132 of the Income Tax Act. Advocate Seth approached Gujarat High Court by filing a petition arguing that the search was conducted illegally, documents held by him in his professional capacity were seized, his fundamental rights, including the right to privacy, was violated. To understand the judgment, we must first look at Section 132 of the Income Tax Act. Section 132 empowers the Income Tax Department to conduct a search and seizure if the authorities have a reason to believe that a person is in possession of undisclosed income or incriminating material. After examining the material placed before it in a sealed cover, the Gujarat High Court held that the department had sufficient and credible information. Therefore, the search and seizure were legally valid and no interference by the court was warranted. Lawyer, client, documents and professional privileges. The court drew an important distinction. If a lawyer becomes aware of a client's illegal or fraudulent activities after being engaged, then documents seized from the lawyer can be used against the client. The court further said that if the lawyer merely possesses documents belonging to a client prior to engagement and only in a professional capacity, such documents remain protected even if they appear incriminating. In short, professional privileges cannot be used as a shield for illegality. While upholding the legality of the search, the court strongly criticized the manner in which the operation was conducted. The court took serious note of the treatment of lady advocate Ms. Hima Patel, who was served summon early in the morning at around 6:30 am by the income tax inspector, accompanied by armed policemen and without the presence of a lady police constable. The court described this conduct as coercive, high-handed and violation of basic human dignity. The Gujarat High Court directed the income tax official to issue formal apology to Ms. Hima Patel. The court emphasized that possession of lawful powers does not justify intimidation. Even lawful searches must be conducted in a citizen-centric, respectful and human manner. Key takeaways. This judgment delivers three clear messages. Number one, searches under Section 132 can be conducted even at lawyer's premises. Number two, attorney-client privilege does not protect illegal activity. Third, statutory powers must be exercised with responsibility, dignity and restraint. The rule of law is not just about enforcement, but also about fairness and human dignity. This is CIP Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. I hope this presentation will be helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.